Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a simple landing page with your phone. So what you want to do is you go to your browser and then visit carrd.co card.co. Now once you're here, it's going to tell you to create an account with them. I already have an account with them, as you can see, log out of your account. So just go ahead and create an account with them, and when you're done, click on choose a starting point. So now by default it's going to ask you to select templates you would like to use. Now templates are already made designs, you can just edit and put your own details you want. And if you feel like you want to use any of the templates, then you can go ahead and select it to use. If you want to use any of these pro ones, you have to actually subscribe so you can get access to these pro ones to use. But what I like to do is actually design my page from scratch. So I just choose a blank canvas. So come here to choose a blank canvas. Now, as you can see, there's nothing here in this canvas, it's blank. So it's left for you to put what you want on it. It's left for you to just design everything you want. Now, before I design anything, I like to always have an example of what I want my landing page to look like. So I would advise you to also do the same thing, so you're not lost or confused as to what to do or how to create your page. So I'm going to use this page as an example for this video. I'm going to design this page for you guys to see. So now if you notice on this page, the first thing you're going to see is the background is blue, and then there's this free training reviews, it's in a box, and then text button with some link, video, image, and all that. So we're going to show you how to do all of these things, and they're actually pretty easy. So let's go ahead and start creating ours. So first thing you're going to do is you come here to add. This is where you add your elements, text, images, videos. This is where you add them. Whatever you want to add, you add them here. Let's take this out first. Let's delete this. Now that that's out of the way, so come here first. Now if you notice, this um free training reveals, it's inside a box. So for you to add this box, this is what you do. Oh, before that, let's change our background. If you notice, the background of this page is blue. So for you to change your background first, you can actually leave your white canvas if you want, but if you want to change it, this is where you change it. You just click here and you can see background, so you can change the color. You can change it to color, so it's actually on white now. So you can change the color to whichever color you want. You can use gradient. Now gradient is a mixture of two colors. Look at it, this is the gradient. You can edit the colors yourself here. You can edit them, and so, or you can use an image, whatever image you want, you can upload it. So that's basically it. So I'm going to leave it as gradient. Done. Now let's add our box with the text retraining. So to add a box, you come here, container, you click on it, leave it on default, and then your box is created. And if you notice, the color of this box here is black. The color of this box here is black, and the text in it is white. So to change the color of your box, you come here, this brush here is to stylize your element. So scroll down and then scroll down to background, yeah, color, and then you can select it. It has changed to white, so you can select, you touch it to edit it over, so you can change it to whichever color you want to change it to. you just adjust the slider of the you just adjust the slider, that's all. So let's include our text now. You come here to add text, so type your text, free training results. Now your text is outside of the box and it's also in black, so let's change the color. Also, you come back here to this brush icon, that's where you stylize your elements. To change the color, you drag the slider to wherever you want it to be, so it's white now. And to edit, you remember you touch the stuff to edit it. So to increase your size of your text, it's here. You can increase the size here. As you can see, the size is increasing. You can increase the weight. Now the weight means the thickness of the font. As you can see, it's more thicker now. So that's basically it. You can also change the font. To change the font, here you click here and then you select whichever font you want to use. Then you select your font. That's it. So now to bring this text inside of this box, you simply just hold it and you drag it inside. That's it. That's basically it. So the next thing is to include text again. How to use this new system, my student. So I'm just going to copy this and then come here. So next thing you want to do is add another element, come to text and then go back to text and then you type what you want to type. But since I've already copied that, I'm just going to paste it here and then you can see this is it. So what's the next thing here is a text again, but it's still inside of a box. So remember, we're going to create another box and include our text in it. So add, you go to add element, you select container, and your container is going to come out. Now this other container here is actually white, so to change this to white, you just click on it and you scroll down, color. So this is the color, background color. You just drag the slider to change the color. See, it's white now. So to add your text, go back to add element, text. But then since I have already copied the text down, I'm just going to paste it. Since our text is in white, if we put it in the box, it's not going to be visible. So tap it to and then come back to this brush icon to change the color of your text. Click on that and then drag it down to black. So now to put your text in the box, what you have to do is just drag it inside. That's all. And now if you notice, this box here has rounded edges. The edges here are rounded off. So if you want to achieve the same result, you can just tap on your box and scroll down to corner rounding, and then just move the slider to your satisfaction. As you can see, our corner is now rounded as well. So that's it. We've created basically the top of this. We've created the top of this. So let's continue. The next thing there is more text in a white background. So copy the text. I'm going to copy the text. You can copy your own text or you type in your own text there. So next thing is to create add a new element, and then a container. Remember, our container is white without no corner rounding whatsoever. So I'm going to remove the corner rounding. And if you notice let's go back, sorry. This white background is actually at the end. It got to the end of both sides of the screen. So for you to achieve the same result, what you have to do is increase the width of this. So you touch it and then you increase the width. This is the width, so you increase it to the end. As you can see, it's at the end of both sides of the screen now. So add your text, go back to text, add your text. Since I've already copied mine, I'm just going to paste it. So it's outside of the box and it's white, so change the color, go back to stylize, change the color to black, and then touch outside. When you're done, just touch outside of the screen. So drag your text and just place it inside of the box. Now as you can see, there's a difference between ours and this one. The text here is actually justified to the left hand side of your screen, while ours is centered to our screen. So to achieve that result, touch your text to edit it and then scroll down to alignment, click on alignment and then click on left. So it's going to align it to the left. As you can see, it is aligned to the left. If you want to achieve the same result for right, you click on it, scroll down to alignment, align to right. As you can see, the same thing. The text is now bigger. I don't know how it's bigger, but if you make an error and you want to go back to the previous step you did, all you have to do is click on this hamburger menu at the top right of your screen and then click on undo. Click on undo again. As you can see, we went back to the previous two steps we did. So let's proceed. Now if you notice, this is like a list here. It has this tick icon beside it, this part. So to achieve this, let me copy this text. Let me just copy this. So to achieve this, all you have to do is come to add elements and then click on list. So when you click on list, it's going to give you, this is what you're going to see when you click on list. As you can see, we have first item, second item, third item, and it's giving us this bullet icon. But for you to change it to the tick icon, I'll show you how to do that. So to edit this list now and include your own content, where you see this first item, you edit it, just highlight it and type in what you want to type as your first item, and that's it. As you can see, it has the text is there, then the second and third. So you do the same thing for the second and third as well. So you just tap on it, highlight the second item, you type your text, and that's it. Highlight your third item, you type your text, and that's it. Now to change the style of the bullet, you can change it to this thing. See, it's already bulleted, or you can change it to numbers rather. So you can see 1 2 3 if you want it in this form, or you can leave it in the other form, bulleted. So you can change the style of the bullet. To change the style of the bullet, you just click on this bullet tab and then look at it, type. You can change it to whatever style you want. So I'm just going to select check, done. So as you can see, it's now checked. You can change the color. Okay, let me put it inside of the box. Remember, you have to just hold it and you drag. As you can see, it's inside of the box now. And to reduce the size of this, tap on it, go back to list, sorry, go back to text. Then width, I'm going to reduce the width so it's a bit smaller. Yeah, this is okay. So that's how you achieve that. So what's next? Okay, then this is how you're going to add a button. To add a button with your WhatsApp link, this is how you're going to do that. Click on add elements, select buttons. So your button element is there. Now you can edit it on in this part labeled button. You can type in whatever you want to type. Let's say click to get access, and then here you can put in your WhatsApp link or whatever link you want to put. So let's just say this is not my WhatsApp link, obviously. I'm just typing something, so it's not going to be empty. And then you can edit. So when you type in your label, click outside. Always click outside to close that tab. As you can see, click to get access. So when they click on this, it's going to take them to wherever you sent, to whatever link you've put in your in the button there. So to stylize the button, just click on it and then click on this brush icon as always, and you can change the color of the button. You can change the style. If you want it to be outlined, it's going to be outlined. The reason why our text isn't showing is because the background is white and our text is white, and the button was just to show only outline, but you can just go back and allow it to be the way it was. You can also make the corners rounded if you wish. You can change the font. That's basically the normal editing stuff. So that's it. To add images, let's look at this. Okay, let's add images and videos. So this is how you add images and videos. Just click on your icon here and then select image. So you can upload the image you want. So I'm just going to select this, done, and then you crop it to fit, and you select, done. So you can see image is there. Your image is there already, and if you want to add your text above or below your image, still the same thing. You click on your add elements, text. Let me copy the text from here. Let me copy this. Just copy this here. Copy. This is our text that we. Okay, so add text. So I'm going to put that there. Done. So as you can see, this is our text. You can put it either above, wherever, as long as you know you already have your design down and you know what you're going for. So it's left to you to know how you want to stylize your page. I'm just going to put it in the center. I don't know why the space is here, but I'm just going to undo that. Okay, so alignment center done. So that's basically, it's pretty easy. So whatever you want to add, you just click on. It's the same thing for videos. Let's add one video. Click on video, and then if you're adding your video from YouTube, you paste the link here. So you select, it's already on embedded, but if you're uploading your video, you select upload. Okay, since you can't upload a video, you have to be a pro member to upload. So you have to, your video has to be uploaded on an external source like YouTube or Vimeo. So you can just copy the link. So it has to be on embedded. So you just copy the link of your video, and then you just, let me copy a video link on YouTube. Okay, copy link. It's not giving me option to type. This is supposed to be clickable for you to type and put in your link. I don't know why this is not giving options to type. Oh, forgive me. You have to type in your link at the top here like this. So done. So as you can see, your video is going to show, but you won't see it here. You're not going to see. This is how it's going to show. But when you've saved your page, let's save the page. When you save your page and it's active, that when you now visit it, that's when you'll be able to see the video. So this is how you save. When you're done, this is how you save your page. Click on the hamburger menu and go to publish. It's going to ask you for a title. So the title can be, the title is what's going to show at the top of the browser window when anybody visits the site. The title is what is going to show. So let's say affiliate marketing, and then description. Can also put affiliate marketing there, and then the URL for your site. So let me say Lewis Affiliate. It's going to check if the name is available. Okay, it's available, so I'm just going to publish this. So the site is successfully published, and this is your link to the site. It's going to have.card.co. So lewisaffiliate.card.co. Let's visit the site and see. View site. So as you can see, this is everything we did. Let's go down to our video. So this is the video now. It's going to show, so people can now play the video.
Man, you can just feel the tension and the bad blood amongst these two men.
So that's basically how to create a very simple landing page for your business using your smartphone.